Hello and welcome to another video with Future Interiors. Today we're waterproofing roof valleys. We've got these two roof valley systems running into a bottleneck here and into this gutter. It's a bit of a design fault because this gutter running along here is the only water exit for these two roofs besides this one. But this gutter takes the majority of the flow. The roof areas in section pouring into this gutter would be these sections I'm outlining with the pen. As you can see, we've got a large amount of area running into this valley system. So what we'll be doing is waterproofing underneath the tiles, going back up underneath the surrounding roof tiles and ending at that brain ring there and ending at this brain ring here. And then putting back the tiles to cover the waterproofing and opening up the entrance here by removing one ridge cap on each of these three ridge cap lines to allow a bigger area for the water to enter the gutter. Make it a great day and follow us on further videos.